Hello, my name is Andrew Smith, and this is my Constellation project on Cepheus. Cepheus can be best seen around 10 p.m. mid-November. And if you're looking up at a north sky, and you find Polaris, the North Star, and look above that to a cluster of stars resembling almost a M or a W, you'll find Cassiopeia. And on the left-hand side of Cassiopeia, if you follow the line of the last two stars down to this bright star, you will find Cepheus, also known as the King. The four brightest stars in Cepheus include Alderman, Alpha Cephei. This is the brightest star in Cepheus. It has a spectral type of A7b. It is a white main sequence star. It has a radial velocity of -10 kilometers per second. Alderman is 49.05 light years from Earth. The second brightest star in Cepheus is Alpherk, or Beta Cephei. The spectral type is B1IV. Alpherk is a blue subgiant and has a radial velocity of -3.1 kilometers per second. Alpherk is 684.9 light years from Earth. The third brightest star in Cepheus is Array, or Gamma Cephei. The spectral type is K1IIICN1. It is an orange subgiant and is moving at a radial velocity of +2.8 kilometers per second. Array is 44.88 light years from Earth. The fourth brightest star in Cepheus is Zeta Cephei, or Zet-Sep. Zet-Sep is 840 light years from Earth, has a spectral type of K1IBV. It is a supergiant and has a radial velocity of -17.83 kilometers per second. Deep space objects within Cepheus. The Wizard Nebula is known for its unique shape. Such a beautiful array. The region is 7,200 light years from Earth, immensely further than any of the stars found in Cepheus. It is estimated to be 4 million years old. And 1,300 light years from Earth is the Iris Nebula. The Iris Nebula galaxy depicts a beautiful iris flower. Within the iris itself, there's a dusty material surrounding a bright young star. Although it appears blue, the dust filaments reflect a red color. And finally, the Fireworks Galaxy. The Fireworks Galaxy is a bright spiral galaxy located on the border of Cepheus and Cygnus. It is one of the nearest spiral galaxies to the Sun. In Greek mythology, Cepheus is the name of grandfather and grandson. The grandfather was better known of the two and was married to Cassiopeia. They had a daughter, Andromeda. Cassiopeia caused conflict with Poseidon by boasting the beauty of her and her daughter was greater than that of the sea god Nereus. Poseidon could flood the lands or unleash a terrible sea creature to cause destruction. Cepheus and Cassiopeia consulted an oracle whom advised them to sacrifice Andromeda to the sea creature in order to appease Poseidon. They chained Andromeda close to sea, but when the creature came in, Perseus, the hero, swooped in to save her and kill the monster. Here are a list of the references I used. Thanks so much for watching my Constellation project. Goodbye.